What's going on, family? Welcome back to Crypto Gems. It's your boy George Lee, and guess what I get to do today? Tell you about an incredible NFT that involves my passion, my favorite sport in the world, football. Now, if you're thinking about American football, you're completely wrong. We're talking about what you would call soccer, but to us football fans, it's just football. Today we get to talk about Luka Modric. He has an NFT project that is blowing people away on social media. I need to tell you about it. I'm going to. Before I do that, what I need to do is tell you about a disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. I do this for only educational purposes, and I do it because I get to hang out with you and show you what I found. I researched these all day, so before we get too much, let's get into it. Let's have fun. Put in the comments if you know who Luka Modric is. Let's rock and roll. So everyone, this is Ethernity.io. This is where you're going to buy this incredible project. Please remember, all the links for this will be in the description below. You do not have to look around for them. Please only use trusted people. Now, Luka Modric NFT collections. That is what we're talking about today. It's by Visual Lab and Anthony Edward. This site is just like we have talked about before, OpenSea, like Solana Art. It is their secondary marketplace, and it is built around memorabilia for sports, all kinds of sports, not just football. That's the English football. So Ethernity is very good. You can go on here, you can have a look for your favorite sport, your favorite entertainment. Come on here, it has DeFi staking. You can get your own farm tokens when you sign up. It's got a Polygon bridge, which allows you to change Ethereum into Polygon and vice versa. Please go on, have a look through the website. You will really like it. Again, this is where we are going to get the Luka Modric NFT that we are talking about today. Please remember, all the links will be in the description below. And this is exactly why. The artists are incredible. Now, Visual Lab is an animation studio based in the Netherlands and loves to stray off a beaten path. Known for their often mind-bending 3D visuals, they experiment with force perceptive and playful lighting elements. So you can see just by looking at these preview of the NFTs, everything they're writing is completely true. We have Modric underwater doing a bicycle kick. So exactly what they're writing is true. Please come on, read the rest yourself. I'll give you a quick brief. It also tells me, as the studio started out as a hybrid gaming motion graphic studio designed like their trading cards often represent modern gaming symbolism and techniques. Forget focus, get distracted. Now, I honestly think this could be huge. Just because who the artists are, who Modric is, and the fact that everything they've said on the website, on the previews, is exactly correct. They have got NFTs that catch your eye, that have color perspectives. They have got uniqueness to them. Everything about this, please come on and read the full brief of this. I don't want to spend all day trying to read it all to you, or you'll end up closing off and not getting to the end. But read more about them. They're incredible. And when you start to read about Anthony Edward, you'll realize they're even more incredible than I've just made out. So in all, I do think, for that fact, the artist, and the fact it's Luka Modric, this is going to be incredible. Now we're going to finish off the video with a quick summary from George. So number one, I've got a surprise for you. I waited till the end. I wanted to see who could get here. The jerseys that I showed you, the Croatian one and the local website one, you will be able to wear in the Metaverse. Now, I didn't want to say that in the middle of the video because I want to know who gets to the end of these videos on ICO, okay? We have loyal subscribers, and I appreciate every single one of you for viewing this. You can wear them in the Metaverse. That's incredible. Number two, Luka Modric is one of the greatest players to ever play the game. And trust me, I know I'm a fanatic about this. Number three, the artists are vetted, they're well known, and they will make this project a million times what it's got to be. I know when this carries over into Sandbox and Decentraland, things like that, the artists are going to do it justice, okay? So that's my 3 reasons for why I believe this project is going to moon like no other. So please like this video, subscribe this video, leave in the comments, George, you did a great job. George, I don't think Modric is the best player ever. Whatever you want to say, just let's interact. I'll see you next time. From ICO, from George, God bless.